Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of calls, video calls, or calls not working on the application of Messenger. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Messenger app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. In this page of storage we click on clear cache. Then here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. And then here you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget